But now I need first aid because, like a fucking idiot, I just touched a hot engine. A little bit of an experiment today. A while ago I bought this pocket bike motor. Never really found a use for it. I've had it running in the past for about, no more than 30 seconds. I kind of want to find something to do with it, but I don't even know if this thing still runs. So I've adapted one of the motorised bike exhausts to fit. Obviously there's nothing to actually mount to at the moment, so we're just going to balance it on the step and hope. When I did run this in the first instance, I didn't have so much as an exhaust on it. If this thing runs at all, I'll be impressed. So we've just piggybacked the tank off the Mark V because it has got fuel in there already. I've just dummied up just a quick throttle cable, mainly for the kill switch. Thing's probably seized. That's why. It's got two petcocks on it. It was a bit silly of me, to be honest. Holy fuck. So, it's not even coughing. So I'm going to pull the carb apart, give it a clean, and see if I can't get it to kick. And straight out of the box, it wasn't so hard to pull, so it's probably seized. It's been sat in the dirt for a while, to be honest. Not that I recommend anyone else doing that, but you're not going to be able to see. But I think the jet was a little bit clogged up because when I first pulled it out, I couldn't see light through it. Now I can. Incidentally, the fuel bowl's still in good condition. Alright, we have got good fuel flow. All right. Oh. Well, she runs, but now I need first aid because, like a fucking idiot, I just touched a hot engine. And now I've got blisters on my fingers and fuel all over there. I picked it up because there's a fuckload of fuel flowing out of that pipe. I was wondering to see if there was a way I could join it back in. But now I need to go run my fingertips. Look, I even burnt the gunk off there. Run it under the coal tap and feel sorry for myself for being such a fucking idiot.